line, line segment, ray, intersecting line, parallel lines. चलो if you हाँ चलो let me restrict this to three, line, line segment and ray only. हाँ line, line segment and ray only. Okay, we will not keep others. So based on the concept line, line segment ray, हाँ चलो, then you require down हाँ you write down requirement. Requirement is, you write down requirement. See, based on the concept means you should have the understanding of line, mute the microphone, line segment and ray. If you are having the concept of line, line segment, ray, what is requirement? Requirement is chart paper, drawing paper. Requirement is drawing paper. हाँ drawing paper. Okay, or हाँ you can take drawing paper or colorful paper, whatever. Color paper. हाँ wait no my dear, or full scape. हाँ or A4 size white paper, or A4 white paper, A4 white paper. You can use color paper, you can use A4 white paper, you can use drawing paper, then pencil. हाँ then pencil and color. Color can be anything. Colors can be anything. Pastel color, sketch pen. हाँ sketch pen. हाँ you can use sketch pen, wax crayons also you can use. Any one you can use. हाँ color pencils also. हाँ any color, any coloring. So this, अरे my dear, step by step, no, step by step. Anyone. हाँ this is anyone my dear, anyone. Either you will use drawing paper or you will use color paper or you will use anyone. A4 white paper. You can use anyone. Okay, you listen carefully. So for this project you should have the understanding of line, line segment and ray. Then what are the requirements? Requirements are drawing paper, color paper, A4 white paper, pencil, colors. You can use sketch pen, you can use pastel color, you can use wax crayons, you can use color pencils, whatever. Now see, yes. Now see this, what is this project? In how many steps you will follow this project? First, step 1. Step 1 is, so what is that project title? Here, project title. Project, you write on this, project title. What is title of the project? Name of the movie. Finding out examples of line, segment, and ray. At there are three categories. First, in your house, in your house. Second, in your best friend's house. In your best friend house. In your best friend's house. In your best friend home. In your home. Let's write home. In your home. Okay. Okay. In your best friend's home. Then third is in the surrounding. In the surrounding. In your building surrounding. In yours building surrounding. Okay, building surrounding. In your building surrounding means, suppose this is your surrounding, wall of your building. Okay, this is your building. Okay, then in the surrounding, whatever are the example of line segment, ray, that you have to find out. Okay, so finding out examples of line segment and ray. So this is the title, finding out example of line segment, ray, and sketch them. You just add them and sketch them. And sketch. You have to first find out examples of line segment, ray, sketch them and color them. Sketch and color them. Color them. How many things? Line segment and ray of your home. Then line segment and ray of your best friend's home. Then line segment and ray in your building surrounding. Okay, in your surrounding, total 9 picture, no my dear. 3 picture for your inside home, 3 picture for your best friend home, and all three should be different examples. Whatever 3 things are there in your home, those 3 things should not be repeated in your friend's house. Those 3 things should not be repeated in your surrounding, building surrounding. So total 9 different examples. In yours building surrounding. I have drawn this is your building. Okay, what do you mean by surrounding? This is my surrounding. This is the compound wall. This is your building. So this is known as surrounding. In your surrounding, inside your compound wall, what are the examples of line segment and ray? So, yes, and all should be whatever. So for this, first you have to make a survey. Okay. First you have to make a survey in your home. What are the example of line segment, line and ray? Then whichever is your best friend, his or her house you have to visit. And you have to find out 3 different things of line segment and ray. And then in your building surrounding you have to see each and everything. Whether this is the example of line, whether this is the example of line segment. In your building surrounding you will find benches, you will find lamps, so many things you will find. It is very much clear, my dear. No, my dear, no sticking of picture. You have to draw the picture. Okay. No pasting of poster. No pasting of picture. No pasting of picture. You cannot paste the picture. You have to draw the small diagram. Small drawing. So what you have to do, project title is finding out example of line segment and ray. Sketch and color them. Now where you will find this? At your inside your home. The example of line segment and ray. Then second, in your best friend's house, you will visit your best. Huh. Okay. So you have to draw a small diagram and color that. No pasting of photos. No ready-made photo. Because everything is available on the internet. You will trouble your parent. I want printout of this. I want printout of this. No pasting of picture. Okay. Then that you can write on the card paper after everything is over. So 3 sections you will make on the card paper. 3 sections you will make. See, suppose you are using this video. I will send, no, my dear. You can see it. Okay. Huh? No, not that way. See, on the card paper, you will make 3 sections. On the white card paper or drawing paper, you will make 3 sections. Mute the microphone, my dear. So, suppose this is your card paper. See here, this is your card paper. Okay. This is your drawing paper. Chalo. This is your, mute the microphone, otherwise I have to remove. This is your drawing paper. You will make 3 sections. 3 sections. Inside my house. Inside my home. Inside my home. Then in my best friend's house. In my best friend's home. In my best friend's home. Then you will make 3rd section. In surrounding of building. In surrounding of in surrounding of the building. In surrounding of building. In surrounding of the building. So okay. So you will make this heading. And then you will find 3 things. First you will write line. Then what is that example? That you have to write and draw the diagram. Then second, in your home, what is the example of line segment? Line segment. What is the example? That you will write and draw the diagram. Then third is ray. What is the example of ray? That you will write and draw the diagram. Okay. Then you will visit. Ray means this type. No. One end point. Then same thing you will repeat in your best friend house. You will visit your best friend. You have to write down the name of your best friend. You have to write down name of your best friend. Name of best friend. Name of best friend. Okay. And then same thing you have to repeat. Line. What is the example of line? That you will write. This should be different from this example. Second, line segment. Line segment. That example you will write and draw the diagram. Then third is ray. That example you will write and draw the diagram. Okay. Then inside my house. So you will write your name. Write your name there. Then in surrounding of building. So you will write your building's name. You will write your building's name. Then in your building's name, what is the example of line? That you will draw. Example you will write. Second, line segment. Line segment. Line segment. That example and draw the diagram. Then third is ray. My dear, where I told you notebook on drawing paper. Okay. Colorful paper. Or what you can do, if you do not have the drawing paper, you can write You can write on the full-scale paper. Then use 3 full-scale paper, 1, 2, 3. Then do everything systematically and then make a PDF and send me. Okay? You have to upload it on MIC. Drawing paper also you have to take the photograph. Either today or by tomorrow, this I will send in the MICM. Okay? And nothing to worry. Nothing to worry. How many days you want, you tell me. That number of days I will give. 1 week. Okay. So when your exam is starting? Huh? So my dear, so even though exam is starting, you have to do it easily. Okay, so nothing to worry. You can submit it by 10th October. Okay, so by 10th October you submit. Do not worry. Okay. So is it clear, my dear? What you have to do? Project. So inside your home, you find out these things are line, segment, ray. Then you will visit your best friend home and just find out which things are there. But doing all this, you have to wear the mask and carry the sanitizer. Okay? So all the precautions about corona you have to take. Okay? Corona pandemic precautions you have to take. Yes, is it clear what is that project? So today I will try to upload this on MICM. Okay. Okay. In that MICM you have to upload. You have to take the photograph and upload. Let us give more than 10 days. There is no hurry. But you see that each and every student of E division, F division submit. Okay, because this will carry the mark. And this is not a difficult task, very easy task which I have given. But only thing is there, you have to take precautions, you have to take all preventive measures. All preventive measures. All preventive measures of COVID-19. Okay. So what are the preventive measures? Wear the mask, then sanitize your hands. Okay, sanitize. 10th. Sanitize your hands. Then keep social distance. Keep social distance. Okay. Even though you will visit your friend, but be in the social distance. Do not hug your friend. Keep social distance. So all the preventive measures you have to take while performing this project work. Yes. So before going to your best friend house, you see that nobody is having any health issue. If there is any problem, then without your best friend's house, you can submit the project to me. No problem. I will consider it. But you write down the reason there. And you must be having not only one friend, you must be having 2-3 best friends. So with one friend there is problem, you visit to other friends. Okay? And on the top of that project you will write school name, you will write your name, division, roll number. Okay? Any doubt regarding this project? Any doubt? Yes. My dear, it is not possible. Find means you have to make a survey. This is what? I will ask you write the exam. If you say, Mr. I will not write the exam, then whatever task is given, that you have to achieve. If you are achieving the task means you are fulfilling the criteria. Those who don't want to do anything, for them there is always an excuse. I did not found this, I did not get this. Come out of your comfort zone. Ah, so come out of your comfort zone, my dear. You have to come out of your comfort zone, then only. Ah, you remember, you always remember that no gain without pain. No gain without pain. You have to come out of your comfort zone. The task I had given, this project, what is there? Yes. Okay. Is it clear? Whichever way, you have to take the photograph and upload it on the MIC. That's all. Or if you are writing this on the Fullscape paper, then you have to make a PDF, single PDF. All the 3 pages, single PDF and upload. Yes, it is up to you. Yes, anything. But it should look beautiful. Unless and until there is beauty in the project. Okay. If you want full box, yes, it is up to you. You see that if I will use black color paper, then whatever I will write, it has no meaning. So you see that, yes, whatever you are selecting. My dear, how you are selecting the dress for your birthday? Nobody is selecting the dress for the birthday. Okay? How you are selecting the dress for your birthday? That you should look good. You should look beautiful. You always check whether it will suit me or not. The same thing, selection of papers also. You have to be careful. Okay? The selection of paper also you have to be careful. Chalo, let us start revision if you want. Let us start revision. Yes, no problem. Okay, you want story? You want? चलो ठीक है. चलो ठीक है. You listen one story. Okay. The story is. Let me tell you the moral of the story afterwards. Okay. And story will be more interesting because some of you. Rejoin करो. चलो. You can rejoin.